Under the temperate climates of North America, the fragrant and majestic evergreen balsam fir tree thrives, producing a warming, bright essential oil. Historically, Native Americans used balsam fir for rituals and wellness purposes, and the tree itself has become a popular species to celebrate the tradition of Christmas. The essential oil is steam distilled from the bark of the balsam fir tree, producing a fresh, woody aroma with a wide range of benefits. It is known to create a grounding and energizing effect when applied topically, and may be effective in soothing the skin when applied as part of a calming massage. To help feel revitalized after a long day, mix 2 to 3 drops of balsam fir into a warm Epsom salt bath, or add 1 drop to facial cleanser, bar soap, or body wash to feel refreshed. With unique qualities and benefits, how will you enjoy this special wood oil? Bring the freshness of the outdoors inside with balsam fir.